ner malake nyam ka nasdal kontin barwani lingwasma nana turne me nyamane yene me jen nyame shaber ka juba shaber gwasedane shikorwal ke dinitin ayayu bertere torbiele shaber ka barmedi dalong jen bana lingman to ka bana lingwasma nyame jen shwale akwajwol jen chaje berne re wiki juba shaber ka barmedi dalong me shaber jen gwad mi wayan ke je kirm yadit alo yan ke je neten content re which will me shit ke de ne jen chwaye jo ka jele ka terbile so re torbile no money she point the aquach wall she logo no jen baja kapchong no jen she goro baja kapchong then she goro no broda bar la she goro dong be de ni be kaling gwade she roda bar ke je jojo gwanu jen shaja tayu duaj match so en do bran cha duaj match ke je de yen do de ne mo ne jen do danen pai kamrar jen do pai kamrar kan ade de what kada ke de control tare gwadan cha berten anika me cha berne jen charwaj charwaj telemelade ko me cha berne je telwe out keje de no dong bagoro bo dol wal den ko bon me cha wutran cha ber batem bi akula ngai gwase me ka jen nyam jen ramla let ke social media na ko jwol ta raja ne siang ne gwada na cha ber kan roch but ko message ko la pai jak pan kana pan ka ja gwade che cha do ko do cha pe point me cha do me cha kamran den chui go no dong bo right kana ta tai da ne shi mo to ka ja jen ke nyam ka ta da na chalat ke je wajen la garodien mudwenyi aten la ja la de jor kudaran lela tidial kudje ko kunmidi jin rami motel med longa la kudelong ko kunmidi jen rami mamuku ngade support ko support ni Dr. Benjamin Bol melelong then ka dobe dane ko Dr. Benjamin Bolmel ko support ke me ba Dr. Benjamin Bolmel me ba ja kula watch ke cha watch and then cho nyame cho raja long online whether then from there watch out or try to below ba ja yen kuma kim yadit again do be da ne try yen then after that me share logo no yan ke then you achu go no ba ja George na mo try over so jenta dan to and then ka kore mi cha beroni re wiki juba cha kan hotel gomi dong de bode ja gwa in state show janyame chwa janang dor shal ke me Nairobi jen gwada danen weten jen gwada na wa do mo wa kamrat so right now do mo cha kamrar ka taran chalat ke je hello emission mo yo talk batem kon kul ngai gwaseme nyam no be jal not yet but ke kir che lar telu kir dan kir ma yadi den kujele men kuile jele jako baje ber ko yan ke je ke ko shunga kel ke bolmel shai nang dol wal she kim yadi che jela telu kelere kim yadi belere telu ko jeni sha dol wal sha je cover all medical you can the alin gorka cha yorpin but let's be honest right nyama chale akwaj wolene she dolo mo mtike wel share mo she jala joro long no jala joro long kari chale deng mi jala joro she garmo jogo no jin de jogo no ala mira ante ka condition no era mi mo disable ke era mi mo mtike taga bom nyon je no dong de chubet ko ram mo la roch ka ta danen nyon kana ga jare wi ka so Sudan no she jowa da na to bono jin be de ni gwar mata tane ba de le ni jegba mi shiro le guje no dong gwa na jin lonka ko ji nyama je kwet right now nyama ja dol wal ka cha woda cha jabar kwa ku jino mun ba jal ke wel share dane ku daran ke je ke be jal ke wel share so right now der ku ke yene dial konte la roch je kaneten konten dong me ramte ko bom ana ki bran gu jino tele lot wi chola duar bi cholingu kana ka agenda same human being chit ka chakaran cha chake la ngwanga no jin ba bi with the same problem bi je Facebook gwa dan titen chiga nyame cha belet kede ni me dane tuok be ku jek no ka jom charat gwa seme netin content ten la ngwan ya gor ko shi kan do gor kan ne content wana mo baje gorno baje kwen ke yakel ko bi akula te ka ngach kamana na chalat gwa seme te cha gor ka tu English of course baje share ke yakel ko bi akula te ka ngach bia mandana cha gor kan bi alel te ke media mdo dien mi shirwach mishalle odin juba gwasman okay let chana jemen kwen kel den bran bro yu kabe kayo mugori jeden de zoom just mugori jen o deriling okay course gori je der mandan to der ngai gwasman kwa gori je kata dana dong chi pone che we ke je course te ke te chicken kalat ba kwen ya gwasman Odin Juba Chelaro Nena, Aquach will speak for first time after successful surgery in Nairobi. Social media personality Aquach Wall has spoken publicly for the first time since surviving a gunshot attack in Juba earlier this month, sharing a heartfelt message of gratitude after undergoing successful surgery in Nairobi. In her statement, Aquach thanked God for preserving her life and expressed deep appreciation to President Salva Kiir Mayardit, the government and the first family for standing with her when her life was hanging in the balance. She praised the swift response of security agencies, whose quick action led to the arrest of the suspected attacker shortly after the shooting. Aquach also paid tribute to the medical team that treated her, including Professor Dr. Mayena Shekau, the presidential unit in Juba, Dr. Adwok, who performed her surgery, and the staff of Nairobi Hospital, saying their courage and professionalism guided her through one of the most painful experiences of her life. She extended her gratitude to her family, friend, colleague, and many South Sudanese on any of social media who pray for her and check on her, noting that their support gave her strength when fear could have easily taken over. Right now, I'm nen kon magwaz me de kon jigan wodi nyame mku letter me la goro lere kim yadi lere jeta luash ko jene chaja nang dual wal many le take it this way. Ramadan ne bare chayen right now ja katijen de kon kula tijin on rama mo order cha kam order me te cha jogo jin welel ngu ka nyamane cause ajena kula otu kon tam right now right kon yen kula tene ko ba jo berone me order cha tu wa yanka no de rande jo yen ko order me cha tu nyok ramadan to border jaram dan kujle nang dol wal so ne me de kon lingo no ko ta dan en to je shir mishalin gwasme eno sharen cha nyame cha nang dol wal eno ka shi loide chote de ko cha jerialeka so ne me meten wen mo me de yaneling ka ta dan shungwan shuren lat ke je ko tungwan lo ngai konte de ala kono to so right now jam de yaneling one ka larame dor shalka me e bor dio je kon dial konti ke clear message ke manan to bor ke Red Bell group Red Bell group right now wa ken chiga la thread and tam right now ka dor shal ke me bor jene dan kule te ko shi kon me dan ne chan la de te ke mishalat and Red Bell group cha ka mo ke chiga na mu ke 20 ke 48 hour. Okay. Red Bell group shigalunjok right now. Alo take a door shalk mobur. But ken ke jeke din SSPDF. Ko ken rojeran chikana lat. Kan mu wete kume. Wete chikane ko chicken ka gang. Okay. Bako neko bako ka gang. Bako community da bako gang. Ko ken kane civilian militia te gang kane community dien but right now sim cheremik ke trade ka kuma kirm yadit ina jen ta dan le roda me shal ke curfew we kon linga no chala do to ka tabakel wona ka tabakel kurun wang la tabakel ke tiang wo tabakel kurun wang o chala do teram gorgen wo bijal chikala do ne me emergency security situation chermenga ikone of course there la emergency security situation la talk but ngai kon mandan le roda a manager kwen be me dan e chalat gwas me de kon linkel ka tay dan chalat ke jen ka jen ninte chewa curfew declared in Bora security forces launch emergency operation in Bor town, the mayor of Bor Municipal Council, Dr. Agoda Alir, has declared an immediate curfew from 6 p.m. on Tuesday until 6 a.m., citing an ongoing emergency security situation in the town. Medium to Katabakel, when a Katabakel Kurun, Kajongle, Kabor, water am good bijal. Manyam Biangai Guatame, a Dorshal Kabor, Chitin, Jangton, Tigatin Manuary, okay? But should not the Shalkati Red Bell group colonial code Kaneti the Shagu no can take a major Iraq. Okay? And later on, according to the announcement issued on Tuesday evening by Mayor Agot, the curfew seek to facilitate a joint security operation and aim at containing what authorities describe as a serious security concern. Do be lat Canadian over China bujal ka wer ka je wati ke lat ko rodien te ken kanalat wajen do bdan gor ka je ko gor jen wo binere konte la ji kum bi kan situation bi kan overcome ke jen kui ne te shalka ti Red Bell group. Dr. Alir urged residents to remain in doubt throughout the curfew period and cooperate fully with security personnel deployed across the municipality. He emphasized that the measure is temporary but essential for restoring calm and ensuring the safety of the public. Chanajo Guatman Dr. Alir and Gonene, Kajan Tam Sha Ngune and go a Nachijel Katuktiang Une Kurunwang, will be native color citizen, Bika take a take Mogwako, Teramimon, Bika Mokarek, Ko Wadwana. But we know for the fact that and this curfew okay, let's say the Red Bell group kwana kwa emergency situation ke emergency ngade kwala ke jemono shina abjal ke tabakele wokarunwang queen entity ke Red Bell group hanken kene gangna community and chicken book obi community be kana yan match but we can know Red Bell group kene itmo ti dong they we there yan but chi jandam to Red Bell group tetin Red Bell group bon dear ke tigne ni ken chicken te ko de kana de kan ka yuan match you know and all that chicken thing. So Dr. Alir said that we want to restrict random movement in the town for a while. Please remain in your home. Owner of motorcycle, rickshaw and boda should avoid movement in the town from 6 p.m. today 25th November until 6 a.m. 2026 November. But still continue, say Dr. Agot. Up to now, the curfew and lotion ajelka were. He also called for calm, urging citizens not to panic but to comply with the emergency order for their own safety. Jokana the no shwala dwal ko na china dwal agwinyo don't take a kormi to ogre which you know. No more Misha Guino de bet, okay? Kunala Jugon, okay. Michelle Dual Geno Teleria con Chine situation Chine secure Guatem Larictin, then Char Tibo and go a woman lair you can tell just an emergency agent. So an around at the door around to do around Chigel. Kum wai jigrar badong de le larik so gorkano bikanet kon dong shunkel Red group then bekan kala de jek so that is what this all about. So right now you can will know ne jeno bikan ramimo bijara ramimo mishi be comply katin ko kan kala kani ramo ba le cholan wo jene threat so ne me amade yene link jen ku Red Bell group right now ka dor shal ka me bor ka jongle chigla threat chako gor ken ka jano farm ni ken la ka wiya na ka special man jant intere which bor gor ka na ka ke but ka jo chalat gwa lat ke jen wo to I lokani Dr. Guy Cook jaram dan la governor mentre bor But to me, don't see jen cause the need lad no gang kan community den dia there tere ko right now insecurity ten. And then shall get jaba ma chicken dear kan ko na kan ka. Le se nan kan ga nan kan ok chaka duke duerin jer kon let ken kana. So today they take a chonko de ka dori and de kana gang, you know, de ka dori and de kana gang. But chala ke no kan eject nag not. Of course don't me ran to me yela dia de chol jira mi but gang kan community den. So na me mutuwa ku Red Bell group ngai kona ko gwaze da nen SSPDF kan Red Bell group ne shiga nyen cho ne dokki ne wan cho anakten re ko ramone so jen walit ko ba Red Bell group ba ka lokre which ko SSPDF jen kan yen and cho ne jogo no le jen ti rodian lot chireme sha ne te ga man dit mi sha de na garam kel ka SSPDF la National Security Service mentere which bor gwade to ga make up ga me gor ka ken titiri shal ke Red Bell group so ko gor ka ke then chik point kan SSPDF ne ko na ulo jago wa me wa ka ne te mo la yong kwane ti chi yong te lardien let ken di yong do kwar je kwa la olat okay an ban je ga lardien chu lardien be chu je porwich